Hello and welcome to Victor Shamaki, and today in this CapCut tutorial I want to show you how you can use any Pro features without login, and it's free forever. And so let's get it. So I have these Pro features I just added. If you see on this video we've been using, so let me play it so that you see. So I have these Pro features I've used on this.
The joy and the promise of forever.
But the real story,
which is the caption. So if I have other features I want to add, maybe like to do adjustment or to filter any of the Pro features I've added, and I want to export it so that it does not have any without telling. If I try exporting this now, let's see, you see it's telling me that I have Pro features that I have used, so I should upgrade to Pro for this amount. So what will you do? All you need to do is to highlight everything on the timeline. This is only on the desktop version on your PC. So highlight everything that you're seeing on the timeline, then right click and you create compound clips. So I'm just going to do that. So after creating a compound clip, you click on the compound clip that have been created now, and you go to the video tab here. Then you scroll down until you see motion blur. So you click on the motion blur and draw it to 0. Then once you've drawn it to 0, you allow it's applying this feature. So you allow it to finish this. So this will take some time to finish. So once it's done, okay, so it has finished processing. Now all you need to do is to go to your CapCut. So let's say CapCut, just search for CapCut and then right click and then open file location. Okay, right click again and open file location. So this is where the app data are stored. So you go back one time and then you go to user data. Then on user data you go to cage. So on the cage you go down and look for motion blur. So we have motion blur cage. So you open it. So once you open it, then let's play.
Marriage begins with celebration, the vows, the joy, and the promise of forever.
but the real story begins after the wedding. Every strong home has a
So that's it. You have your video exported and you just copy it and upload or do whatever you want to do with it, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.